Sophie's getting a nice bath, so she can be nice and smell good for you guys tomorrow.
You filming this?
Yep.
I'll watch my language. Hey, kiss.
Oh,
Oh, poor girl. Oh, all right.
Ooh.
I got this. Give me a towel. It's okay. Hey, Sophie, it's okay. No, it's not going in your face. Relax.
You want me to do anything?
No. It'll just get most of it off, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna go till she's bone dry.
My two babies.
Look, you get a blowjob. Oh, sorry. What is it, Soph? You get a tubby
feel
tub?
nice and clean?
You're a nice, clean, smelling cockapoo now, aren't you? Good girl. Are you thanking me? Where you going? You gonna slip in it?
Where'd she go?
Come on. I love. Look. Are you saying hi to me, or is she thanking me? I can't tell.
Aww.
She kissed me.
Yay!
Sit here. Come here. I love you. Oh, come here. Sophie.
I just have a down.
Oh.
Oh, let her out.
Wait. I'm sorry. Where are you?
Yeah, I see her nose.
What'd you get me for my birthday, baby?
Stop.
I got a cockapoo.